Here I've got TCL 20L, and let me show you how to activate keyboard sounds on this phone. So at first, let me open the keyboard. As you can hear, currently it is muted. If you'd like to turn it on, if you'd like to hear each digit, just open the settings, go to sound, scroll down to the very bottom of the list, and here you will notice the iPad tones. Just mark it, and now it will be active. Obviously, if you would like to mute it smoothly, make sure that it is unmarked, and now it will be muted. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.